Hi, my name is Jim. Welcome to my channel, Fintech.TO, and I'm going to share with you information about finance and technology, small bites, and everything is recorded here in the wonderful city of Toronto. Hi, my name is Jim, and today I'm going to tell you more about what fintech is. Today I'm going to cover about the definition of fintech and also discuss a little bit about the major areas in the fintech industry, and finally talk about the major players in the ecosystem of fintech. Fintech as a term came to life about 3 to 4 years ago, and it refers to finance and technology. More specifically, it refers to startups or service providers that are providing financial products or services by using newest technology available. The fintech term is actually evolving and sometimes is a little bit blurry. I'll explain why. Because if you think about fintech, it's just like a finance and technology. Definitely the banks are a fintech company, but that's not usually how the word is being used. To really understand fintech, we have to understand two major things. First, how many sub-areas are actually referred to fintech, and then understand a little bit more about the major players in the industry as it is today. As an introduction, I'm not going to cover the 12 areas of fintech right now, but I will cover some major ones. Let's pick 3 of them at this point. If you think about fintech, there's actually the new technology that it refers to banking sector itself. Let's say new ways to deposit your money or invest your money. And then we have insurance tech, or the fintech for insurance. So new ways to get your insurance in a very easy way. And finally, we have alternative lending in the fintech space, which is like new ways to get your loans in an easy and fast way. In the fintech ecosystem, there are 6 major players currently speaking. The first ones are the banks, and they are considered the incumbents. The second ones are the startups, and they are the disruptors. They are coming up with new ideas, business model, and new technologies to try to provide faster and cheaper services to the consumers. And the third ones are actually the big tech companies such as Apple or Google. Apple, for instance, has Apple Pay, and that's a fintech product. Now, the fourth ones are the fintech service providers or technology vendors. They provide actually the infrastructure services for startups or other big tech companies or even the banks. Then we have the regulators, and they pretty much control or set the policies of how financial product works. Banks, big tech companies, and even startup has to follow those rules or they can be shut down. And finally, the venture capitalists that put a lot of money into the startups so they can actually innovate and potentially disrupt with new technology and come up with the unicorns of startups in the fintech space. So for today, we spoke about the definition of fintech and its evolving term. Then we focus a little bit more about the 3 major areas of fintech, but there's actually more than that, and we will go after those later on. And finally, we also touch point about the 6 major players in the fintech ecosystem. Now, if you have any question, please just put your comments down below, and please subscribe, and see you next time.